Many people don't know what we Yejingwei do. Today, I will take you to visit our factory and products. This is our gate. Let's go. The address is No. 97, Wan Village, Zimao Town. This is our factory area. The right is our office building. The rest are all our production workshops. And finally, on the other side is our dormitory and canteen. Now let me take you to see the workshop. This is our back-end workshop. Our products are packaged and shipped from here and shipped out. Our company mainly produces two types of products. The first is reflective film, which are used on traffic signs and other signs. The other type is luminous film. The luminous film glows in the dark. They are usually used indoors. Our company not only has a beautiful, but our boss also grows many fruits. In the fact, planted many fruits like jackfruit, star fruit, and grapefruit every season. We can eat a lot of fruits. Now let me show you around our office. This is the first floor of our office building. The first floor mainly displays our company's culture. Look over here. These are all our company's patents. Our company has 4 invention patents and nearly 60 utility patents. Now I'll show you is our multimedia classroom. Our company, every month, we will conduct 1 to 2 trainings here, which can make us more professional and better serve our customers. This is our exhibition hall. On the left, here are all the products of our reflective film. All series of products are here. On the right, here are some application scenarios of all our reflective films. Let me show you around. This is our luminous film product series. Now let's turn off the light to see the luminous effect. In the dark, after absorbing light, the luminous mode, it will glow inside. You can see the effect. Yejingwei also set up a book bar on the first floor with many different books inside, where you can recharge yourself after work. That's all for today's tour. And I'll stop here. Upstairs are domestic tour. So I won't go upstairs today.